Take the video and then have everyone go over it themselves.
Yeah, I'm recording right now.
You guys can go over my stuff if you want.
No, like then you have Cole talk about his stuff, then you talk about your stuff.
Yeah, cool. You talk to me about your stuff.
Alright.
So get up. I'm recording.
So 3 pairs of boots. These ones I'm gonna buy off Rocco. Personal items in that corner. Old Bible, cigarette cards, razor blade, quarters. M51, right? Shovel.
Mhm.
Bayonet, shirts, socks, gas mask, my web gear, 20-round pouch, then first pattern canteen, second pattern canteen, bandolier date 1970.
Oh, I forgot about this.
My Pen EE camera, 35mm, pretty cool. M16, baseball glove, and my 1952A, which is dated May 15th, 1953, and my helmet.
All right. Anything else you want to add?
I have my mess tin.
Oh, do you have the frog in the JFAC?
No, I took him out.
Why'd you take him out?
I don't know.
It was funny. We had a frog in the JFAC. Alright, going over to my corner, I have a couple shirts, some Erdl shirts, some plain shirts, towels, canteen, poplins, ripstop, 2 pairs of ripstop pants, some underwear, Australian canteen cover, mosquito helmet cover, some more towels, M65, another normal t-shirt, M55, 3/4 vest, machete, a couple canteens, my MP web set, my normal web set with the grease gun pouch because I'm running the AK. Fuck you guys. My M17 mask with the pouch, pilot survival knife, some tape, M51 butt pack.
61, stupid.
No, I said M51 shovel.
You said butt pack.
Yeah, then I would put the camera in a butt pack. So M61 butt pack, M51 e-tool, a couple packs of smokes. Yeah, they're post-war, they're modern, but I didn't feel like switching them over. My shell, my M3, a couple more canteens, two quart canteen covers. Just, I don't even feel like going over all this. I was just like, shit. My wall, my AK. I don't know, my glasses, angle head. You got the sea ration box.
Why are you going? That's my thing.
Yeah, I'm moving it. I'm moving it up there.
All right, now let me talk. Or let me take
Here, you
over.
take the camera.
All right. So here we got sea ration box, 3 guns, M1 Garand, M14, M16, pair of boots. I got my other pair on right now. Angle head, M61 gear set for Marines. My gas mask bag and gas mask. I don't have it out, but it's in there. Medic web gear. I hate that tubing, but Rocco will beat my ass if I take it off. My 2 helmets, 1 Army, 1 Marine, MP helmet, 3/4 flak jacket, M55, M5, then Rocco's lightweight rucksack that I defarbed and that I medicified. I don't know. I threw my M3 up there and I took off all the tape. It was quite a process. We got the bandoliers here.
You want to show them outside all the tape you took off?
Yeah, let's take a little journey outside the tent. Walking along the tent things, stepping over the things so you don't fall. So here's all the shit that was stacked on his rucksack. We got some weird fuzzy insulation. I don't know. A bunch of electrical tape and duct tape. More insulation, more duct tape. There's probably at least 5 rolls of tape in this pile. This was all on his ruck, and I took it all off. Looks better now, actually resembles a lightweight now. Also his cardboard backing, because nothing says comfort more than a piece of cardboard with tape on it, am I right? No, it's not. Don't lie to yourself.
I'm extremely comfortable.
So on the ruck, we got the M3 bag, poncho, the bag, a separate 1 quart, the E-tool. If I personally was carrying this, I'd probably be carrying much more water, especially as a medic, but
Should you carry like 1 canteen of salt too? Or
pure salt, no, salt water. Straight,
no? 1 canteen is
just,
salt. You know?
just nothing but salt rocks. So here are the fatigues I brought. I brought my Satines because they're good looking.
No, they're not.
They're very nice.
4-man jungle fatigues.
Speaking of jungle fatigues, we got my worn down 3rd pattern set of ripstops, then my mint set of 3rd pattern ripstops, and then my more military 2nd pattern jacket. That's about it that's of interest. I brought other stuff, but it's like canteen covers and butt packs and goggles, claymore bags, canteens, stethoscopes.
Hold on. How come he's got like that weird stuff?
Cole's doing rifle drills. Rocco's smoking, as always, both literally and figuratively. There's his Cheerios. Let the record show we brought Cheerios to this event.
Listen. Plain Cheerios are the best cereal there is, you know?
Like babies eat
No,
plain
because like Honey
Cheerios.
Nut Cheerios, they get all sticky and gross.
But he likes it that way, so you think you
yeah,
like it
still, you know, that's like better than Cookie Crisp and shit like that.
No. Bland oat circles.
Cameos.
Yeah, cameos. Alright, well that's basically the shit that we got going on here. We got Cole doing the rifle drills, as I said. You know, he's pretty good at it, I guess. Yeah, here's Rocco. Take it.
Cool. Signing off.